Hi, I'm Johnny. Let me show you a quick tour of our JUCY Condo and show you the features that will make your adventure more enjoyable and comfortable. Here is where you plug into a powered campsite. Locate your power cord inside the storage. Attach one end to the vehicle and the other to the campsite power. Here is where your gas bottle is located. Unlock using the key. Turn the dial anti-clockwise until the tap stops. Please turn off once you have finished with it. To refill the gas, this can be done at some fuel stations. Just look for the LPG label on the petrol station sign. Here is your grey water tank, which stores all the water from the sink. To empty, remove the grey water hose and connect to the valve. Pull the handle out towards the back of the vehicle and empty at your nearest dump station. Your spare tyre is located either underneath or in front of the vehicle. Your tools are located inside the side door below the storage box, along with your freshwater hose, 240 power cord and grey water hose. This is where you fill up the fresh water. To fill, locate the freshwater hose from the storage, attach the hose to the tap and insert into the inlet. This vehicle takes 91 unleaded fuel. To open, pull the lever below the driver's wheel, unscrew the cap and start filling. The fire extinguisher is located on the side of the back seats. This is your control panel. You have 4 switches: lights, fridge, water pump and ACC, which means USB and radio. For the lights inside your camper, turn on the light switch on the control panel. You can turn off the lights individually by pressing the indent or the switch on the light. For the fridge, flick on your fridge switch and the light inside will illuminate. For your water, turn on the water pump switch and then turn on the tap to activate the pump. Make sure you turn off the switch after you've finished. The condo comes with USB inputs as well as a cigarette lighter input. This runs off your domestic battery and can charge small electrical items. To operate the gas stove, turn on the gas from the bottle. Locate the gas canisters and remove the red cap. Line up the gap to the neck of the canister to the gas compartment. Press down the gas control button to lock the canister in place. Turn the flame control switch all the way round until it clicks and ignites the stove. To turn off, turn the flame control switch to the off position. Flick up the gas control button to release the canister and then put away the canister. To operate the toilet, this is located under the sink. To access, pull out the toilet into the gap between the 2 benches. To flush, fill up here with water and pump the flush button. Pull the handle in front of the toilet to empty the waste. To empty the waste tank, unscrew the bolt at the back of the frame. Slide out and unclip the tank from the side. To set up your top bed, unclip the netting. From the middle, pull the handle out towards the kitchen until the bed stops. To set up the bottom bed, unclip the sides. Pull the middle squab out towards the 2 back seats. Fold down the front squab. Place the thin squab between the front seat and the bed, and then place the square squab between the 2 back seats. For the curtains, unclip the strap and roll down. Clip the curtains to the side panels. For the table, grab your table from the side and align the holes with the clips on the table. For the back table, unclip the side, squeeze the legs of the table and extend. That's all for today. If you need any more information, please check out our Help Hub online or the handy how-to guide in your vehicle. If you have any issues on road, please give us a call. See you later.